Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about the upcoming Google Pixel 10 series, and trust me, this one's going to be exciting. New leaks are out, and it looks like Google is not only bringing some serious upgrades under the hood, but also introducing some fresh new colors for each model. Whether you like simple colors or bold, fun ones, there's something here for everyone. Let's start with the base Pixel 10 model. A recent leak from Mystic Leaks on Telegram shared that this phone will come in 4 different colors. First is Obsidian, which is your classic clean black. Then there's blue, a deep, cool shade that feels modern and simple. Next, we have Iris, a bright purple that adds a fun pop of color. And finally, there's Limoncello, a lively yellow shade that will definitely stand out. It's nice to see Google offering a good mix of both classic and bold color options. Moving up, the Pixel 10 Pro and the larger Pixel 10 Pro XL will also have their own set of color options. According to the same leak, these models will come in Obsidian again for those who like the timeless black. There will also be green, a rich color inspired by nature. Sterling, a stylish gray, is perfect for those who want a clean professional look. And lastly, there's porcelain, a bright white finish that looks very sleek and elegant. But colors aren't the only thing getting an upgrade. This year, the Pixel 10 series will have a brand new chip called the Tensor G5. What makes this special is that it's completely designed by Google, no more relying on Samsung's Exynos-based chips. Plus, it will be made by TSMC, a company known for making some of the best and most efficient processors in the world. This new chip uses a 3nm process, which means better speed, smoother performance, and lower heating issues. Another big change is the modem. In the past, Google used Samsung's 5G modem for its Pixel phones, but this time it's switching to a MediaTek modem. This move shows that Google is seriously working on making the Pixel better from the inside out, with custom hardware that could give it an edge against Apple's iPhones and Samsung's Galaxy phones. The Pixel 10 series will also come with Android 16 right out of the box and is rumored to get 7 major Android updates. So if you buy a Pixel 10 now, it could stay updated all the way to Android 23 in the future. That's great news for anyone who likes to keep their phone for years without missing out on new features and security updates. As for pricing, looks like Google is sticking to last year's prices for the most part. The Pixel 10 will start at $799, the Pixel 10 Pro at $999, and the Pixel 10 Pro XL might start at $1,099, which is $100 more than last year's Pro XL. But with all the upgrades, that small increase could be worth it. Now, for those thinking about trying a foldable phone, Google's Pixel 10 Pro Fold might be the one to watch. Last year's foldable started at $117,999, but this year it's rumored to launch at $1,999, a $200 price drop. That might make it more appealing for people who've been curious about foldables but didn't want to pay the higher price. So, to sum it up, the Pixel 10 series is looking like one of the best Pixel lineups we've ever seen. A powerful new chip, new modem, longer software support, and some fun, fresh colors make this an exciting option for Android fans. The official launch might happen in August, with pre-orders starting the same day. If you've been thinking about switching from an iPhone or Galaxy, this might be the perfect time to do it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Pixel 10 updates and the latest tech news.